How to enable or disable allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. And System Settings on left side, go to Display. Here in Display below, you can see the Advanced button, okay? Click this. Here in Advanced, you can see here the link to Mac or iPad section. And below of this, you can see the allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad. And the allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad is enabled. So if this enable, your pointer and keyboard can be used on any nearby Mac or iPad sign in to your iCloud account. And if you want to disable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled. And if you want to enable again, okay, you'll have to do is go to advanced again and switch on the switch button on the right side of this. Allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad and click done button to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad on MacBook Air.